Broke his neck. Fix this. Someone needs to fix this.
I know. Right.
I'm really missing that.
Grab it really hard and twist.
So much fun.
Oh, we fixed his head, but we can't fix his brain. That's not right either.
I thought that's right.
It is?
I know.
This isn't how hand works? Oh, this is how hand works.
I don't think that's how they work. But what do I know? I'm not a
I think so.
I'm not a Sammy. So, Sammy knows how it works.
Hi.
Hi.
Huh? Everyone left me. Yeah.
Well, you two are on camera right now.
Oh, hi.
Let's do some entertaining things. Do a cartwheel.
Do a cartwheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not happening.
Not happening? Oh.
She's doing a cartwheel.
That was close.
I did it
Close.
so fast you couldn't see it.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, you can trade paws.
No.
It's,
Here.
animals can exchange parts. It's normal.
Woo! Man.
Yeah, furries are like Legos. You can just put them together how you want them. However you feel like.